Chapter 8.5 puts two skills together: creating 2 points using 0 and 1, and understanding how to plot points. So first, let's revisit our process of creating 2 points. Actually, not first, I guess. We are just going to review it because we're not going to do a second review. We're just going to put it together. So if you were to create 2 points, remember we say 0 is our first number. So you put y equals 5, parentheses 0 plus 2, which means that y is 0 plus 2, which means that y is 2. And your first ordered pair is 0, 2. But if you were looking for a second ordered pair, I'll just cover that up. There it is right there. So if you're looking for a second ordered pair, you start with 1, getting y equals 5, parentheses 1, plus 2, which is y equals 5 plus 2, or y equals 7. So 1 comma 7 would be your second ordered pair. So what you would do with these two things, just so you understand, we have the ordered pairs 0, 2, and 1, 7. And I am going to grab an old piece of paper just to show you how these two things work. I need you to consider the fact that you only need 2 points to draw a line. Let me uncover that and try to get this arranged in a way that you can see everything. So you only need 2 points to draw a line. If I draw points on a line, I don't need more than 2 to determine what direction it's going. Yes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, but those 2 tell me what direction it's going. These 2 tell me what direction it's going. Those 2 tell me what direction it's going if I was to draw a line through it. Even those 2 show, there's a whole bunch of combinations, so you only need 2 points. These represent 2 points. And so what that means to you is that if you plot 0, 2, which means don't go left or right, but go 2 up, and 1, 7, which means go over 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you took a straight edge of some sort, which I think I have one, and you were to connect these 2 with a line, that is you graphing a line. So the fact that you know how to find 2 points means that you now know how to graph a line. That's it. That's all there is to it. All right. So outside of that, like I said, in today's problems, it's assumed you know how to create the points. No work will be needed. It's just going to say what are the ordered pairs, but you will be expected to list the 2 points that you find before selecting the graph. So you will have to start with 0 and tell me that ordered pair. You will have to go to 1 and tell me that ordered pair, and then make your choice. The key idea is for you to take your time and count carefully. The correct graph is in front of you, but there are distractors. Distractors mean that there are wrong answers that's supposed to look right that are meant to throw you off of what you know to be true. So let's take a look at a couple problems and see what happens. Create 2 points based on the equation as shown in your notes. Again, ordered pair number 1. Remember, for ordered pair number 1, we would start with 0. So y equals 4 times 0 plus 2. Keep in mind that multiplying by 0 means it doesn't exist anyway, which means that y is 2. Because I don't have to show work, there's no need for me to show 0 plus 2. I already know it's 2. So your first ordered pair is 0, comma 2. Second ordered pair, let's put that 1 in there. So y equals 4 times 1 plus 2. Well, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6, which means that my second ordered pair is 1, 6. So looking at your graphs, you're looking for something that crosses through 0, 2. That does. Because 0, 2 means don't go left or right, but go 2 up. 1, 6, so over 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's it. But let's check to make sure. That is 0, 2. But that's 1, 7, so that's not it. That is also, oh no, that's not even 0, 2. That's actually 0, 1 because it only goes 1 up. So that answer is A in this case in terms of what you're looking at. So again, that's all you're doing. Find the 2 ordered pairs and pick the graph that matches the 2 ordered pairs that you just chose out of those problems. Again, ordered pair number 1 uses 0, so 3 times 0 plus 2. Well, remember 3 times 0 is 0, so we don't need it, which means your answer is y equals 2. So 0, comma 2 is my first ordered pair. Ordered pair number 2 is to use the value of 1. So 3 times 1 plus 2, that means that that is 3 plus 2, which is 5. So 1, comma 5 is my second ordered pair. Let's look at this. 0, 2. Did I just make my life really way too easy? 0, 2, and 1, 5. That is your answer. Let's just make sure. 0, that's 0, 3. So no, that's wrong. And this one here is 0, 2, but that's 1, 6, so that's wrong. I just really don't know how to make notes with these graphs on it. I am sorry. They're not exciting at all. Pay attention to the fact that we slowly analyzed the points and eliminated the options that didn't make sense. So the key idea again is to remember that there are 3 things in front of you. The right answer is going to match both, but there are 2 graphs where one of them will probably match, but the other one will not. So it's important that you take your time and go from there. But you'll learn how to graph a line on your own in the future. But for now, as long as you understand how to find the 2 points, you know everything you need to know to do it. So again, just be sure to ask for assistance as you need it. One more lesson tomorrow, and that's about it. But this is officially your last video of chapter 8. You're just going to have a review day tomorrow to practice some more. So have a good day and talk to you later.